Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to create users and whitelist IP addresses in VoiceSpin's billing portal. Let's get started. First, open your onliner link. Enter your username and password, then click Login and select Portal. In the top right corner, go to User Management and select Add User. Enter name, username, and email address, where their login credentials will be sent. Next, choose an appropriate role for this user. Each role comes with different permissions. For example, if the user needs access to billing information, select the Billing role. If they need the ability to whitelist IPs, choose the Technical role. Select and click Save. Once the user is created, they can log in and navigate to the whitelist section. On the left side, you'll see existing whitelisted IPs. On the right side, click Add IP and enter the IP address you want to whitelist. You can add multiple IPs. Just enter each one separately. The system will then ask for verification via email or OTP code. OTP codes are available only for the main account, the one that was created first. If your account was created later, use email verification instead. After selecting email verification, you'll receive a confirmation code. Enter this code to complete the whitelisting process. This typically takes a few seconds to process. Click OK when done. You can also remove IPs from the whitelist if needed. Simply select the IP from the list and click the Delete button. And that's it. Thanks for watching.